Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin and a catalyst you should be on the lookout for today. Let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And I'm going to be implementing a like goal of 300 likes for this video. I know you guys can do it. We hit our like goal of 500 likes on yesterday's video. Let's try to hit for 300 likes today. And if you guys want some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description and get signed up with Public, the social investing app. It's a really cool app where you can deposit $1 and you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock, and then you can then invest into Shiba Inu Coin if you want because it's publicly tradable on there on Public. So use that first link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So wow guys, we're up 23% on the day. Now if you guys weren't in the live stream, you guys got to come through the live streams. We had a great time. We went over Shiba Inu Coin and we kind of just kicked it. So if you guys want to come to our live stream, I will be doing a live stream at 3 p.m. today my time, so I believe that's 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and then 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So come through those live streams, subscribe, you'll get notified when those happen. But anyways, we predicted what happened today perfectly. We'll go over that in the technical analysis. However, today's video, I want to be kind of preparing you for what you could be seeing today in terms of catalysts and everything of that nature. So if you guys want to see that, stick around till the end of the video. But first, you guys know what we got to do. We got to check the overall trendingness, ticidism, and how much Shiba Inu Coin, how active Shiba Inu Coin is on this platform. And you can see here, Shiba Inu Coin is the #1 trending cryptocurrency or stock on the platform, well above Doge, which is honestly just trying to beat us today, trying to stay above us in the market cap rankings. But anyways, also by activity, Shiba Inu Coin leads that by a wide margin, even above AMC. So really good stuff to see there. Now let's move into kind of a speculative thing here. This isn't really what you should be watching out for today, but this is going to be something you should be watching out for in the long term, in the macro. So I mean, Kraken Exchange listed Shiba Inu, and questions we got to be asking ourselves is Robinhood going to be far behind? So right now we are kind of experiencing a similar type of euphoria that we experienced on that day when we had 200% gains or whatever it was. Maybe it was 100% gains. Maybe it was probably 100% gains. But we're experiencing a very similar euphoria today. And Robinhood missed out on the last time that we were experiencing all that. I feel like the perfect time to list Shiba Inu Coin, if they have it ready, would be very soon, considering the volume, the overall social volume was just not there. Right now would be a very good time, very hyped time for Robinhood to list it. I'm not saying they will. I'm just saying maybe this is a better indicator. Now that we're doing better as a coin, they might be more willing to release it now rather than maybe 2 weeks ago when we were just in the gutters. But anyways, now let's talk about the thing that you should be marking your calendars for today. And that is going to be the catalyst coming on November 3rd. This is coming from Investor Place. So fans of Shiba Inu should mark their calendars for tomorrow, November 30th, which is going to be today for you guys. Kraken, a cryptocurrency exchange, announced the trading of Shiba Inu Coin, and that is slated to begin on its platform on that day. Kraken is already accepting deposits with the minimum amount set at 373 Shib. So right now, if you already have Shib on another platform, you can deposit on there in order to provide liquidity, obviously. And then tomorrow, there's going to be trading started on the platform. So that's basically what you should be on the lookout for tomorrow. Right now, you can only do deposits. It's not going to be that big of a catalyst. However, it will lead to a lot more volume considering how big of an investor base they have. We have a whole nother platform that people can trade on, and obviously people are very, very happy about what's happening with Shiba Inu Coin today. So I'm assuming a lot of trading will be happening tomorrow, especially with trading starting on Kraken. And they bring up something interesting on here that I also kind of want to go over real quick, and that's going to be brokerages such as Fidelity and Charles Schwab still refuse to provide coverage to buy cryptocurrencies directly. And I want to say, as soon as Fidelity and Charles Schwab and these massive brokerages that have trillions of dollars under their management, I think as soon as we get listed on something such as Fidelity and Schwab, even though it's not that hot new thing like Robinhood, I think that's really when Shiba Inu Coin and crypto in general is going to see a massive pump for months and months. Now this is still so far away as they say in this paragraph, but that's something to look forward to in the next year. I think if you're a brokerage worth your salt, you're gonna have to be listing cryptocurrencies, and Shiba Inu Coin is going to be one of those cryptocurrencies listed on Fidelity and Charles Schwab, and that's the point where you really know crypto is going to be the next gold or whatever. So that's just a point I wanted to make. And then also I want to add on this, Shiba Inu whales have purchased more than 42% or 42% more Shib in the last 24 hours. So basically whales made good on the recent dips and purchased more amount of tokens to their portfolio. As data found on Whale Stats, the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets at present hold 42% more tokens than before. So that's what whales do. When Shiba Inu Coin is down, that's when the whales are buying. They're not buying right now when Shiba Inu Coin's up 21%. They're buying when it's 30 cents. And when they buy, you can pretty much expect a pump to be coming at some point. That's what we're really seeing today. So that is a good thing to see. Just another piece of good news coming for Shiba Inu Coin. But yeah, now to go over the global crypto market, we can see that we're sitting at about 2.55 trillion, and we're actually down 1% on the day. So I mean, Ethereum's up, Bitcoin's down, yada yada yada. A lot of stuff is, you know, down. But we have recently flipped AVAX, so we are now the 11th largest cryptocurrency, and we're just about $2.5 billion off of Dogecoin. So that's very good to see there. Here's the big number, guys. What have I been talking about? We need more volume. Well, the volume is sitting at about $6.5 billion. I can definitely see us getting to about the $8 to $12 billion range, where we can see those 30 to 50% jumps in prices. If we're in that like 12 to 15, obviously we can see like 30 to 50%. If we're in the 8 to 12, we can get anywhere from 20 to 30% increases in price, just like we've seen today. So really excited to see this volume continue to go up and hopefully stabilize at these higher highs. But yeah, overall good to see here. Now let's go over some technical analysis. So here's the big thing, guys. If you guys weren't in the live stream, we actually drew this mid live stream, and we saw Shiba Inu Coin break a pennant mid live stream. So we saw that obviously in my video yesterday, guys. I was on point. I said, hey, we're gonna get into a bull pennant and we're gonna break out. And then we're here in the live stream, so you guys got to come through the live stream, subscribe to come to those. And I was like, hey, if we get obviously a candlestick above this bull pennant, we're going to be off to the races. And I said we can get to the 47 level. Well, we overdid what I expected, and we hit even, I believe, about 51 at one point. Candlestick closing above 50. So really right here, I think we're making a good little bit of a stabilization. We're kind of obviously stabilizing here at the 47 or 48 level. And I really think this is going to be a new support for us, or we could possibly see a new support at 44. But overall, I think that we are going to see yet another probably bull pennant here over the next morning, and then going into tomorrow, I think that we're going to be off again to the races, and I think we'll probably meet our next resistance at about the 56 or 58 level. Probably about the 56 level is when you'll see our next resistance. So I see at least another 10 to 15% gains today. The day that you are seeing this video, I expect another 10 to 15% gains from where we're at right now. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe down below, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Guys, you got to come to the live streams. We will be live streaming at 5 p.m. Eastern today, or 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Do the math on when that is for you. But those live streams are very helpful. We can answer all of your guys' questions. We're coming out with a new channel members thing, so if you guys want to become a channel member, you will get perks in these live streams and outside of the live streams. So if you guys want to become a channel member, you can do that with the first link in the description, or sorry, you can do that with one of the buttons in the description. I don't even know. But yeah, come to the live streams. They're really fun. You can just come there and talk with us about Shiba Inu Coin and whatever you want to talk with us about. But yeah, get your first free stock with the first link in the description. And that's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.